Hello, Leo, and welcome to your monthly love reading. Remember that this reading does not necessarily have any specific date on it. Whenever this message finds you, and whenever you find this message, then this reading will be for you at this given time. You are starting this month with the love dominant energy of the, ready? Oh, you have here the Five of Cups. So some kind of disappointment. What is going on here? I don't like looking at this. I don't like seeing this. But you know what? The good news is that there's still two cups right behind you. So you may not see that there's still an opportunity here. Two opportunities, really. Because somebody here is too focused on the negative. They're focused on why did this happen? Why did things go wrong? Regret and sorrow. And this is telling you, look up again. The sun is shining. And you know what? The sun shining above you is the sign of hope. Okay, so again, whatever it is that you focus your energy on, it only expands. It's time for you to turn around, okay, and look at these two cups that are bringing some kind of opportunity near you. All right, beautiful. This is the Five of Cups. Could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Doesn't have to be. But you also have here the Queen of Cups, the Strength, the Four of Swords, the Three of Swords, the Four of Wands, the Ace of Swords, the Ace of Cups. Wow. The Lovers. Look at this. Your reading is only getting better by the second, okay? The King of Wands and the Hermit. Could possibly be Virgo energy that you're dealing with. I see Leo energy, Gemini energy. Doesn't have to be. But I do see that there's still a lot of love in your heart, okay? There's still some kind of emotional bond, either you towards them, them towards you. Because it is a general reading, take it as it resonates. So there's somebody here who still has an emotional attachment to something, okay? Now this could be lovers, friend related, it could be family related, whatever the case may be. I do, however, see that the challenge position you have here, the Strength, could be Leo energy, doesn't have to be. But I do see that you don't believe in yourself, or maybe this other person doesn't believe in themselves. It's very hard for this person to realize the power of influence that they hold over this situation. Why? Because there's a lack of self-esteem. Something here is not allowing you to see your full power, who you really are. And that's something that you have to work on this month with regards to love. Now, I also see here the Four of Swords. So somebody here is in recovery mode. They are recovering from something, whether it's financial, whether it's emotional, could be physical, an illness, whatever it is, but they are recovering from something, okay? So right now this person might be in silence, or they will be going into silence because, again, they are kind of overwhelmed right now. Now, I do see here the root of the issue is the Three of Swords. So here with the Three of Swords being the root of the issue, there's still an emotional wound, okay? There's still some kind of painful energy here that is still taking over your energy, which is why this is still a dominant energy over the situation. There's still something here that somebody regrets, that somebody here thinks back on, and you know, they want to fix things. But again, this is a painful cycle that is already over. It's already completed. You have to let it go, okay? This is all about you taking the lessons, learning the lessons, and releasing the pain. In the recent past, I do see that there was an emotional bond, some kind of commitment here. Could be that you guys were living together. This was a long-term partnership. However, I do see that coming towards you, there's going to be truth and revelation with regards to that partnership. Some kind of truth will be revealed, whether you're getting ready to reveal this truth to somebody or somebody's getting ready to reveal a truth to you. But some kind of truth will be out in the open. Now, I do see here in your subconscious, there's still a lot of love. You want a new beginning in love. You want love in your life, okay? Whether you know it or not, this person, whether this is you or them, remember energies can be in the reverse, there's a love offering here. You want to offer your love to someone, or someone here is about to offer their love to you. Beautiful. Brand new beginnings in love, brand new beginnings in truth, in honesty, in kind of like the energy of transparency, okay? Now you also have here, look at this, the Lovers. Could be Gemini for some, doesn't have to be, but this is all about tuning into the vibration of chemistry. There's a lot of chemistry here between you and this person, and there's something here that is growing out of this, okay? Out of of this beautiful connection. This is creating some kind of a deeper bonding. Somebody wants to create a deeper bonding with you and or you with somebody else. Now, I do see that you have to believe in yourself. This is your action advice. Step back into your power. This is all about you, again, like I said, believing that you have the power of influence over the situation. But again, you have to go into that energy of that kind of tenacity, that kind of courageous energy, bold energy, believing in yourself once again, okay? Now, you also have here as your outcome energies, the Hermit. So you're learning a lot from this experience, okay? You've learned a lot, you've matured a lot, you and or this person. I feel like this is a situation that is growing a lot because of those spiritual experiences that you guys have had with one another. There's a lot of growth here, and now somebody is getting ready to follow the path of wisdom, follow the path of maturity. Whereas maybe before somebody was making foolish decisions, I see that you've been learning a lot, you've been gaining a lot of knowledge and a lot of clarity as far as what you want, what you don't want, and also this other individual, okay? There's a lot of growth and a lot of expansion happening. Now let's go ahead and clarify what this Five of Cups is all about here for you. You have here the Six of Pentacles, the Eight of Swords, and the Eight of Wands. Could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. But I do see that there is somebody here who needs to allow in help, okay? Whether you're not allowing help in, this other person's not allowing help in, somebody here is coming in to help you. Allow that help in. I also see that you need to be kind to someone who is unconsciously doing something that makes you unhappy or that made you unhappy, okay? This is going to be part of this kind of energy this month where, you know, you need to be as forgiving as you can be. Explain your feelings, okay? The relationship that results will basically surprise you if you do this, if you go about it in this way. And it's going to surprise you in the most delightful of ways, okay? I also see here that somebody feels stuck in a situation. They feel victimized. They feel like, you know, life has got it for them. You know, they feel like there's nothing good about the situation. They don't know how to get out of it. But in reality, this person is sitting in denial. They've been sitting in comfort zone of denial, waiting for a rescuer to come in when the only person who can rescue this individual is themselves, okay? This person needs to look into the mirror and say, okay, you know what? This situation is also happening because I am allowing this part of the situation to happen. What can I do, okay? What can you do? What can this person do? Somebody here has to take full responsibility for their freedom. Grab one of these swords of truths, cut off that blindfold of denial, cut off that rope, and guess what? You are free and you are liberated. And that's when things are going to start moving forward very, very quickly. If there has been a delay in something happening, if there has been a lack of communication, a lack of forward-moving energy, that's when the communication is going to start picking up pace, okay? Not until you release yourself from that situation. Somebody here has trust issues, whether you don't trust the process, you don't trust yourself. Somebody here has trust issues. There's also the energy of somebody here not wanting to take responsibility for something that they have created. You know, acting a little bit sneaky, maybe lying, maybe cheating, that sort of thing. But again, this is all about forgiving, okay? Now let's go ahead and tune in deeper to see what the situation is bringing into your life. Tell me more about the situation with regard. You have here worth waiting for. Look at that. Divine timing is at work in your love life. So somebody here is worth waiting for, okay? This is all about you allowing the process to unfold in a more natural way. Playfulness. Don't be so serious. To recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. Remember when things were lighthearted, right? That childlike energy, that bantering energy, playful energy, flirtatious energy. That's the energy that this situation needs, whether it's so that you can, you know, attract a brand new person or so that there is some kind of healing aspect or healing energy to this current situation right now. You also have here healing family issues, okay? So your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Some of you guys might have some kind of childhood wounds, childhood issues, you or and this person, and you need to forgive your parents because remember, parents also are born not having instructions as to how to raise their child. You know, Nobody is born with instructions. So just like your parents are growing as you're growing, from being a child, that's what you have to also forgive. The fact that as parents, you have to understand that they weren't born with like a book that tells them, that instructs them how to raise children. They're also learning as they go. And these are aspects of the situation that you also have to find forgiveness within, okay? Whether this is something that needs to be explained to your partner, to your person, or this is something for you to know, okay? And at the bottom, you do have here, you deserve love. You are lovable. You also deserve love in your life. It's not just about money, not just about work, not just about doing for other people, loving other people. You also need to realize that you deserve love in your life, okay? Because I know you guys are just amazing. You guys are givers. You give a lot of yourself. You are the helpers, okay? You're always there for family members, for friends, for partners, but you also have to sometimes learn how to take a step back and allow people to come and give you love and help, to you. Beautiful energy there. Reminder. Now let's go ahead and look into these deeper messages. Let's see what your deeper messages are here for love. All right, look at this beautiful one. Okay, so we're going to get this one. It's a woman here holding on to her heart chakra. She's kind of like right next to a tree. And as you can see, there's a flame of fire coming out of this side, and then there's a plant growing on this other side. So let's see what this says for you. Imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into the light, creating room for opportunities and possibilities for your life. So again, these are all of the unwanted thoughts that this is talking about, okay? Don't stress yourself out thinking about the worst case scenario. Why didn't you do this? Why didn't you do that? Regret. That's not going to serve you. You have to imagine all those unwanted thoughts dissolving into the light, and that's how you create more possibilities and also bring in healing. Beautiful. Now let's see what else we have here for you. All right, let's get this one. It has the peace sign around it, okay? A male and a female. The female is right behind the male, whispering something to his ear, okay? This says balance. Love is not always about agreeing just for the sake of agreeing. A great relationship is one that both supports and challenges. So again, not everything always has to be peaceful. It has to be in flow. You have to learn that there is an ebb and flow of relationships and of life. Sometimes friction causes relationships to kind of create a deeper bonding, because if they were just always surface level, always happy-go-lucky, there would be no meaningful relationships out there, okay? So again, balance. Love is not always about agreeing for the sake of it. A great relationship is one that both supports and also challenges. Beautiful reminder there. Let's see one more here for you. Look at this beautiful one. It's a couple embracing one another. Gorgeous energy there. You have here trust, okay? Transformation occurs through acceptance. Once you accept a current situation, it will automatically transform. So you have to trust in the process. Accept the situation, and it will automatically transform into something positive. Beautiful energies there. Now, we're going to be going into the extended reading to look deeper into the situation, because there is a deep love connection that is being formed right now. It is being created. However, there's still one person who's stuck in that denial type of energy, in that regret type of energy. We're going to figure out the solution to this and what this is bringing into your life. Okay, so if you want to watch the extended reading, that's where we dive deeper into the situation, into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more, then go ahead and click on the description box below. Okay, the link to the extended is down there. And also make sure to take the time right now to hit that subscribe button, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also hit that notification bell, because when you guys do that, it really helps me and it helps the algorithm so that I can continue posting more readings like these for you guys on this platform. Thank you all so much for your support. And now let's go into your affirmation, guidance, and mantra message. All right, what do we have here for you? We have here Lemuria, creating heaven on earth. It is already happening. You are already creating everything that you desire on this earth plane, okay? Creating heaven on earth. It is already happening. Gorgeous reminder there. Transformation. You're going through a deep transformation right now. Things are changing at a cellular level. When they change at the cellular level, you can feel it in the fiber of your being, okay? Deep healing is taking place. So allow this to transform you because it is healing your energy. You also have here warrior woman. It could be the sign of the queen of swords, Libra, Gemini, Aquarius, doesn't have to be, but here it's asking you, have you answered your deepest calling? Ask yourself that question. Could also be the fact that your deepest calling this month is love. You want love in your life. You want to be loved. You want to be loved, okay? You want to love beautiful, okay? So have you answered your deepest calling? Ask yourself that question this month. And at the bottom of the deck, you have here priestess. Listen to your intuition here. How are you being called to step up and lead? You are being called upon to be a leader. Like I said, you are gaining a lot of wisdom, a lot of clarity through your journey. Perhaps this is calling you to become a leader in some kind of area of your life through all of your experiences and all of your knowledge that you are gaining. All right, this is what I have for you for your love month. Thank you so much for watching. And if you'd like to watch the extended reading, the link to the extended is down in the description box below. In the extended reading, I go into the other person's subconsciousness, their deeper thoughts about you, their deeper feelings for you, their next actions, moves, and more. And thank you all so much for all of your positive feedback for the extended reading. I am so glad that you guys are loving the extended reading so much. So again, if you want to check out the link to the extended, the link is down in the description box below. And if you'd like a personal psychic reading, you can click on my special link that's down in the description box below. I've partnered with Psychic Source so you can receive 10 minutes for only $10 and an additional 3 minutes free. And for psychic phone call readings, make sure to use my special number 26489. Again, that's 26489 when you make the call so that you can receive your discount. I'm not a reader on Psychic Source. However, you can choose from any psychic or tarot reader that you'd like by checking out their ratings and reviews. You can either chat with them online via my direct link or choose a phone call and use my special code 26489 to receive your discount offer. And check out my new video on my new channel, Maya Sky, where I guide you in an affirmations meditation to manifest anything you want. The link to my new channel, Maya Sky, and the new video is down in the description box below. And remember that your monthly readings and your blessings monthly readings have all been posted on the channel. You can check out the links to all those readings for the entire month down in the description box below. And check out GinaMoon.com and click on shop. I have new jewelry pieces, necklaces, rings, crystals, and much more for both men and women. Whether you seek protection from negative energies, want to manifest wealth and prosperity, or you desire to find true love, my Gina Moon online store has a perfect piece for you. It's the ultimate collection of spiritual jewelry designed to enhance your life and unlock the power of the universe. Each exquisite jewelry piece is handcrafted with love and infused with the positive energy of ancient wisdom. Wearing these pieces is like carrying your own personal sanctuary, offering you protection, attracting abundance, and inviting more love into your life. Imagine feeling a deep sense of peace as you go about your day, knowing that you are shielded, protected by the powerful energies of sacred gemstones. So experience the incredible transformation that comes with wearing these precious gems. Let its energy align with yours, empowering you to attract love, abundance, success, and more. So check out my online store at GinaMoon.com and click on shop. The direct link is down in the description box below.